Hello viewers and subscribers! Hey, want to share with you a good news. I just launched this new video that teaches you how to shoot under the midday sun, which is really hot, and that's going to create a lot of highlights and shadow. And in fact, photographers fear it so much, they always say don't shoot under the midday sun. It's a rule, and that rule was an old rule, which we felt should be broken by now, and there should be tips and tricks of how to overcome this. So my model and I, my crew, went out and tried and see how we can dispel this old rule and try to shoot amazing photos still under the hot sun, and we learned so many things. And this video documents all the tips and tricks that we learned, which I know is going to benefit you. And that's it. If you are subscribed to my premium courses or all access, I invite you to head on to my e-learning website now and enjoy this video. And for those of you who are not subscribed to our premium courses and all access, please head on to our website and subscribe. So if you check out the price, that's a great deal. That's for the whole year. And if you have our all access account, you get access to all our e-learnings here and also premium courses. So viewers, check out our latest content and I hope you enjoyed it. And together we're going to be better photographers.